We're going to replace the Prius backup or reverse lights. Each of the two backup lights uses a 7440 bulb. Start by opening the back hatch. Locate the right tail light access panel and remove the cover. This is the socket for the backup light. It's easier to replace the bulb if you remove the top two sockets. Turn the socket a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. This is the LED bulb that will be replacing the backup light bulb. Pull the old bulb out of the socket and press the new bulb into the socket. Insert the socket and turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock it. Replace the access panel. Locate the left side access panel and remove it. It's easier to replace the bulb if you remove the top two sockets. Turn the socket a quarter turn counterclockwise and pull straight out. Pull the old bulb from the socket and press the new bulb into the socket. Insert the sockets and turn a quarter turn clockwise to lock in place. Replace the access panel. Here you can see the original incandescent bulb on the left and the new LED bulb on the right. While it's not obvious in the video, there is a significant difference in brightness. This is the LED bulb that we used for the backup light. The electrical system does not monitor the backup bulbs, so there's no need for load resistors or special LED bulbs. View the description for the specific parts that we used in this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and check out our other interesting videos on a number of different topics.